I just received this set of silicone trays from Spacewiser in exchange for my honest opinion, so let's open up the box. Oh, hello. Look at that. Nice little card in here. Some information on the back. It's like a very thick, even the packaging material is like really sturdy. Just all around has a high quality feel. But let's get to the meat of this, right? Loving these. Look at how thick this is. It's got a little label right here, so it does have the brand name on. If you don't want that to show, you could just flip it around. This is definitely high grade silicone. Like, look at the thickness of this. I can hold it like this and it's not flopping down. This is waterproof, super washable, unbreakable. I love this. I think I'm going to put this in my kids' bathroom to kind of harness their craziness in there and just kind of give it a nicer look. But I can see this going around a kitchen sink or on a vanity, of course, in the bathroom, on a dresser to collect jewelry and things. This has like a nice gripping texture to it. These are beautiful. I'm going to go set them up.